Blockchain 2.0. With the invention of Bitcoin, the popularity of cryptocurrencies and blockchain took off. More and more currencies were made, and new applications for the blockchain technology were developed. The main concept behind Bitcoin was that it acted as cash for the internet, allowing users to make transactions without the need for middlemen, like banks, but that was it. More and more uses for the blockchain were developed, and by the year 2014, the technology had advanced to the point where users could use the blockchain beyond digital currencies. This is called Blockchain 2.0. These advancements meant that in addition to the transactions with digital currencies, users could create smart contracts, companies could create certificates for sending their owners dividends, and people could easily authenticate and sign documents.